international skills, and we've had many participants who've gone on to stay in the UK and start their careers. The workplace is a good opportunity to learn the cultural differences and understand and prepare yourself if that may be a long-term